Today we're taking a look at the My Snoring Solution Jaw Supporter. The jaw supporter is a chin strap that helps eliminate snoring. It's made from lightweight fabric that is comfortable yet effective so that both you and the people around you will have a comfortable, silent night. Now, it uses high quality fabric, and it's so good that I've heard people using this product for up to 3 years, night after night, without any problems. The jaw strap is designed to keep your lower jaw forward so that air passes through quickly and easily without any vibrations or blockages which causes snoring. Currently, this product costs $119.97 for two. And you compare this to other products out there that cost usually $50 to $200 for the mouthpiece, and they usually last about 6 months. So you're getting a good value when you compare the two. Now, they also offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied with the product at any time, you just send it back without any problems. The pros: it's comfortable, it's lightweight, it's effective, and it works. So people are happy with this. The cons is you cannot buy it in stores, so you have to order it, and you just absolutely cannot get this in retail at this point. Overall, we give this product a 4.8 out of 5.